it's Alan and Michelle from Travelbook TV. Just a little update on our, what was it called, Easy SP.
Correct.
We did Easy SP last week. We did a few little videos about it. We've thrown some recipes out there just for you to see. Yeah, my voice is still not quite right. But anyhow, the update is this. We had our weigh-in last night, Thursday. And we're well chuffed because zero carbs. We didn't have one sin between us, which is a massive achievement now, isn't it, really?
Especially for me.
It was actually, we both found it pretty much okay. I think towards a Tuesday-ish and Wednesday-ish we were hankering a little bit for the carbs, if I'm honest. You certainly was, weren't you?
Yeah, I think it was Wednesday night, I think.
About Wednesday, yeah. So, but yeah, we stuck to it, we got it, we jumped on the scales yesterday, and rock and roll, £3 for me, £2.5 for Michelle.
Yeah.
How good's that? I mean, considering the weight loss that we've got up to now, we realise it's going to slow down towards the end of it when you're getting towards your target weight. But so to get £3, still, I'm made up. I really am made up. I know Michelle is. Yeah. I'm going to crack on with it. One other thing that I'm going to do for you on this one, if Michelle just picks it up.
Ta-da!
We've got as a treat, our Friday night treat now, our carbs. And the carbs are these beautiful chunky chips, Slimming World. I think they only came out on Monday for the first time. So we're going to review these for you guys.
And these are free.
Yeah, they're all free. We're going to whack them in. We're going to do it with a nice rump steak each. Yeah. I'm having mine medium rare. How are you having yours?
I'll be medium.
Medium, so I'll have a little bit bloody. Michelle doesn't. And we'll have lots of veggies on it again. So this is a little treat for us. And we'll see how we go. So we'll review these for you and we'll let you know what they're like. Yeah. Okay? So that's it for this one for now. We'll catch you all again. Okay, guys?
Bye.
Bye. We've got something.
Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and any comments, anything, any ideas or anything you need, comment below. And don't forget, ring the bell so we can mind you even more videos. Correct. Come on, guys, let's subscribe. Let's get this show on the road. Give us a kiss, Shell. Bye, guys.